You can feel it. Feels like a piece of mud stuck on there. That could be a seborrheic keratosis. We could do a little biopsy on it, or we could just freeze it and get rid of it. What do you think?
Freeze it and get rid of it.
You like that?
Sure.
Did you check with your lawyer?
Yeah, she said I could do it.
What do you think, ma'am?
I think it should be. And look, I want him to look at this one right here. Turn around so you can see this one.
Well, I didn't finish the video.
No, I don't want to move. Okay, so we're gonna do this with liquid. You can just wait a moment.
You're gonna light him on fire?
No, this is not a torch. This is strictly a liquid nitrogen gun. Okay.
I was wondering.
Yeah, so we're gonna give this a little freeze. I'm gonna call you Dolomite.
Dolomite.
Yeah, Dolomite. That's your nickname.
Oh yeah.
You've had some skin cancers before, right?
Yeah, the one that it's on his head.
Yeah, you've got a scar up there where you had little laser work done.
No, they actually cut it out.
Cut it out and then let it kind of granulate in.
I guess so.
I think so.
It left you with a big white spot, that's for
Yeah,
sure.
it did.
All right, this is gonna be cold, right? You ready?
Yeah, go for it.
All right. You know what the temperature of this is?
Probably about 15 below. Oh, Jesus!
15 below would be wrong.
Yeah, that was a little cold.
How about minus 320?
Oh, okay.
We just gave you a little No. So we're going to freeze it. We have to go through 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles. We let it get angry and red and swell up for a few days, and then it sort of dries up and peels off. You can peel it off.
Oh, no, thank you.
That would be fun.
You
wouldn't like to do that?
Not really. So I have to do your job. I have to peel the thing off.
Well,
You can roll it up and say,
There goes cancer.
it'll fall off on its own if you give it enough time. But I thought you might enjoy just kind of
Not really.
picking a little bit at it.
I want you to see this one too, Doc.
But he's got we'll take. Well, he's actually got several little spots we're going to look at, and you're really here because you want to start some medicine. Why? Because you have a problem. What's your problem?
well, I smoke too much for one.
You smoke cigarettes. How old a fella are you?
I'm 62.
Yeah, 62, and you're quitting because your significant other's really basically making you.
Yeah, pretty much.
Do you know what the success rate is in spouses that are being forced to quit by their significant others? It's not. No, it's really actually very high. It depends on how forceful you are.
Okay, good. 100%. That was 100%.
It's 100% if you use such medieval techniques such as cutting off all his fingers, for example. Okay, so we've thawed, so we're going to go with round 2. It actually feels colder than the first one. Are you ready?
Ready?
Ooh, that's cold. There we go.
Actually, the first one felt colder than
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Usually it's the second one everybody says, now that one felt cold. Okay, so once again, that'll get angry, it'll swell up a little bit, turn red, and then it'll sort of dry up and peel off or fall off, depending on whether you can get your lawyer here to peel that off for you or not. All right, Dolomite, any questions?
None offhand.
What do you think about quitting smoking?
Well, I think it's a necessity. Definitely.
So I'm going to give you the medicine to help you quit,
Okay.
and I'm going to give you an inhaler to help you breathe.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah, I think so too. Well, I really am glad you're going to quit, though. I mean, it doesn't matter what age you are, you can still, you still benefit from quitting. Okay.
Surely. Yeah.
All right. Well.
You want to look at this one too?
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. We're going to stop the video because Mrs. Dolomite is really concerned about another spot, and we're going to take a look at that. I've already looked at it. It's really not a big deal, guys. So don't worry. Hey, thanks for watching. Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, for 1 month, actually.
And
I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And yes, a lot
And
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
Energy.
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Also, check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit, available on Amazon for under $20. It's got a leather case, and it's compact in size, good for traveling. See link below.